YouTube and welcome to my channel. And today I'm at AKIHABARA! Yay! I think you guys already know what kind of place AKIHABARA is, so I'm not going to explain it, but today I am going to have very fun in AKIHABARA with my friend. So now it's already 2 o'clock and I'm very hungry, so I'm going to have some lunch at there, Gundam Cafe. If you're a big Gundam fan, I think you will love this place. If you're not, I think you'll like it too because this restaurant is so awesome. They have 2 areas with different menu, and today I choose the Giran Diner. This is a Shah Aznavour face shield. You have to return it, but also you can buy it at 300 yen. I ordered some omelet rice with tomato sauce. It was not that bad. Lamb stew. The lamb was very soft and good. And fried chicken. This was the best. For dessert, I ordered strawberry parfait. Too bad this was a limited edition. It was so good. There's a lot of special cocktails, and some of it you can change it to non-alcohol too. Each food and drinks have a code that you can see some short movies. After the meal, you can get some souvenir too. I am so full. It was so nice. There's like a shop, a present shop right there, but we can't take videos in there, so I'm not going there. But there's like a lot of Gundam presents, shops, goods in there. So if you want something for your friends or for yourself, maybe you can find something what you want. Like there's like a Japanese plate, chopsticks, and some snacks. It's very nice. I didn't buy anything, but yeah, it was nice. And I want to do one more thing at here is this. A takeout corner. At here, you can buy some drinks that print out Gundam characters.
Ah, すごい綺麗だね。
ね。
美味しい。
ナイス。温まるしみる。
何でもよかったろ。
本当は違うの。本当は知らなかったの。クリスマス今限定で他のキャラクターがないことは知らなかったの。本当だったらもう旦那をプリントしますよ。当たり前じゃないですか。Okay, next we are going to go somewhere very popular in Akihabara called Radio Kaik. It's a place that you can buy some like anime goods, toys, something like that. It's very awesome, so I think we should go there next. Kawaii, oh, so cute! This is my favorite character, Zenitsu, and I like her too. Actually, I like all of them, but yeah, this and this is my favorite. And I like Nezuko too. Okay, everybody's so cute! This is kawaii. Okay, I bought some key holders, the Demon Slave key holders in Nezuko, and I bought this eye mask. I don't really use eye masks usually, but I love the design. Look at it. This is the mode, battle mode, and the other side, there's like a crying face. I like the design. There's two parts of the design of it. It's so cute. So next we are going to go to Gachapon. Do you know Gacha Gacha? It's like a capsule toys. Actually, you can find like a lot of gacha shops, not shops, but gacha around like the stations or anywhere. But there's like a store called Gachapon, so we're going to go there next. Let's go. It's still 4:30, but it's very dark. Damn, winter. In Japan now it's like a big boom. Demon Slayer. I can't say it in English. It's very weird. The name is very weird. I think Kimetsu no Yaiba is good for it. Why they have to change it into English? See? There's a lot. All of this are Kimetsu no Yaiba. And there's some Gundams. Oh my god! Double O. It's my favorite series. Oh, this is cute. I like small animals gacha.
Comment.
You can move this, it shrinks. It can open its mouth and it shrinks like that. Cool.
Onigiri.
You can use this for proposing. I can't open it. It's hard. I couldn't see there was a sticker on it. I got a Kanu. Oh, it's so cute. He's bowing. I actually wanted the pig and the mob, but yeah, he's cute enough. I really need this. Actually, this is the only green hair. The other ones are blue, but this is the green one. Maybe to wear. I wanted this one or this one, but today I got that one. But it's cute. The face is nice. I gotta do this one more time. I want two of it. Yay! I love it so much. See, they're bowing. Good for a present for kids, maybe. I'm a kid. Let's go to the next store. Look at this. I think all the Japanese girls love this anime. It's called Capture Sakura. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's very small, but it's good for object, I think. Oh my god, so lovely. Look! Here's a heart rice ball. Oh my god. Look at this. There's two types of it. This is the animation color, and this is like more reality color. I like this one. Kawaii. So this was a day for me in Akihabara. How was it? Did you like it? Actually, I want to go somewhere more than this, but it's already dark and very, very cold. So maybe I should just go home for now. In Akihabara, you can find like more interesting shops, like something like Gundam Cafe. But I heard there's like an English menu, so if you can't speak Japanese, you still can have fun, I think. So this is all for today, and thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos I'm gonna post in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on next tube. Bye!